Based on Queensland Brain Institute, each neuron in our brain has a long cable that snakes away from the main part of the cell. This cable, several times thinner than a human hair, is called an axon, and it is where electrical impulses from the neuron travel away to be received by other neurons. Today, we are going to learn about the capacitance and resistance of brain axon membrane. Axons in the brain have smaller diameters than motor neurons. 0.6 micrometers is a typical value. Most connections are short range, with an average axon length of about 700 micrometers. The resistivity of the 7 nanometer thick axon membrane is approximately 4 times 10 to 7 ohms meters. The dielectric constant is 5. Model the axon as a cylinder. A. What is the resistance of the axon? B. What is the capacitance of the axons? C. What is the time constant of the axon? In the first step, we have to identify what information is given from the question and then write it down given. The diameter of axon, or D, equals 0.6 micrometers equals 0.6 times 10 to the negative 6 meters. The average axon length, or L, equals 700 micrometers equals 700 times 10 to the negative 6 meters. The resistivity of axon rho equals 4 times 10 to 7 ohms meters. The thickness of axon T equals 7 nanometers equals 7 times 10 to the negative 9 meters. The dielectric constant K equals 5. The permittivity of vacuum epsilon null equals 8.854 times 10 to the negative 12 F per meters. Then, we have to identify what is being asked in the problem and write it down required. A. The resistance of the axon R is. B. The capacitance of the axon C is. C. The time constant of the axon tau is. Solution. Using resistance equation, the resistance of the axon R is the resistance, the resistivity, the length, and the cross-section area. While model the axon as a cylinder, so the cross-sectional area is 1/4 VD squared. Thus, the equation becomes this. Then we substitute the variable value. So we get the result this. And we can say that the resistance of axon is about 9.9 times 10 to the 16 ohms. We're treating the axon as if it was a cylindrical parallel plate capacitor. Essentially, the phospholipid font cell membrane acts as if it was a dielectric. Then, the inner and the outer region of cell membrane act as if they were a parallel plate capacitor. Using capacitance equation for cylindrical parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance of the axon, or C, is the capacitance, the dielectric constant, the permittivity vacuum, the curved area of cylinder, and the distance between the plate. While the curved area of cylinder is VDL, and the distance between the plate represents the thick of axon membrane. So the equation becomes this. Then we substituted the variable value and we get the result this. So we can say that the capacitance of axon is about 8.3 times 10 to the negative 12 Faraday. And C, the time constant of the axon or tau is tau equals resistance times capacitance. Then we substitute the variable value and we get the result is. So we can say that the time constant of the axon is 821,700 seconds. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.